Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean small corners easily, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to clean small corners anywhere, this is the video for you. So basically, I'm not going to be actually showing you a corner. I'm going to be creating a little corner with my fingers, and then I'll show you how to use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush that is being used as a cleaning toothbrush or a cleaning tool to clean those small corners. So basically, what you want to be using is something like this. This is a toothbrush, and you want it to be an old toothbrush. So an old toothbrush that you're no longer using, and I would suggest that you label it as a cleaning toothbrush so that you know this is my cleaning toothbrush, okay? Just so you don't make any mistakes. So get an old toothbrush, label it as a cleaning tool or a cleaning toothbrush so that you know that it is a cleaning tool or a cleaning toothbrush, and that is what you're going to use, okay? Now, basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take that old toothbrush, okay? Just imagine this is a cleaning toothbrush right here, an old cleaning toothbrush, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to use it to clean the corners. You're going to combine it with the cleaning solution of your choice. So you might use whatever cleaning solution. There's so many different options out there, but you might use whatever cleaning solution for that specific thing. If you're cleaning tile, it's going to be a certain cleaning solution. If you're cleaning something wooden, it's going to be a different cleaning solution. If you're cleaning whatever, anything, right? It could be like a vinyl or a plastic, it's going to be a different cleaning solution. Whatever the case is, you're going to use whatever cleaning solution it is that you want to use. When you have your cleaning solution, you're going to take your cleaning toothbrush and you're going to dip it in the cleaning solution. So get it wet with the cleaning solution. So let's say I have my cleaning solution over here, dip, 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 just like that. And then what I have is a cleaning toothbrush, which has these bristles that has been dipped in a cleaning solution. So it has cleaning solution on it. You can then use it to clean the corner. So I'm just going to create a little corner right here with my fingers. And essentially I can take this, and let's just imagine this is the corner down here. I could take the cleaning toothbrush and I can scrub that corner. Okay, now I have a bonus tip for you. I can scrub that corner like that. You can scrub it and you can get into really tight crevice or really tight corner. Now, if your corner is extremely tight and you need to have some bristles that are just getting into just the tiniest little crevice, what you can do is this. Take a look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to bend the bristles. Now, look at those bristles right there. Look at those bristles sticking out. I can now take those bristles sticking out. I'm bending them up with my thumb, and I can get into literally the tiniest, look, the tiniest corner that I can imagine, the tiniest corner by doing that. And I can do the exact same process that I described, but with the bristles bend like this just to get into the tiniest corner. Very, very simple. It is that easy to do. Okay, when you have an old toothbrush, instead of getting rid of it, label it as a cleaning tool or a cleaning toothbrush, and then use it as a cleaning toothbrush to scrub small areas, just like tight corners that you're trying to get into to clean. It is that simple. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, so with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.